With me, this one is a denim romper. Yes, guys, this is a denim romper. And if you guys see the stones on the bed, so I'm actually about to start blinging this out, guys. And I got some more rip parts that I'm bleaching. And yes, so I specialize in more exotic clothing. You see like that, guys, and that one over there in the making. So I do over the top. You know what I mean? My style is over the top, so exotic clothing. So guys, I'm going to start stoning this out. And when you guys see it again, I'll try it on. It's going to look amazing. Bye-bye. Guys, so this is what it is looking like, guys. And I wonder which shoes look the best. So I'm done with it, guys. And I have on the denim shoes and these shoes. But yes, I probably do more stones later. But so these is these shoes, and then these is, maybe do it this way. These shoes, I don't know which ones look the best. So yes, this denim romper, guys. So yes, like I say, guys, my stuff is different. I dare to be different. So I do bold pieces, guys. So this is what it's looking like. And hope you guys having a great day. And I'm praying that everything work out for everybody and they get this virus under control. So thank you guys for watching. God bless, guys. Good night. Okay, guys, this is the finishing results of this denim blue jean bleach tie-dye romper that I did, guys. So yes, guys, my style is different. I dare to be different. So like I say, I'm more Angel Brinks and Gucci Man wife. I like over the top stuff. So I get it. My style is not for everybody. So I do those exotic outfits. That's what I like. Really over the top, guys. So you guys have a great day, and I pray that everybody is doing well under these conditions. Bye-bye.